everybody, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new ANC Sport by DYPLAY. These here are affordable headphones allowing you to go ahead and listen about as you go about your exercise. Now, if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing them, trying them out, and seeing what they're all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, the box itself is pretty simple. It does show the ANC Sport headphones on the cover. As we rotate it about, talks about a little bit more in terms of detail. So they have adaptive digital noise canceling. They're designed for exercise and outdoor activities. And they have a 2-hour charge that holds up to a 15-hour battery life. So let's go ahead and open it up next and see what's on the inside. Ooh. So it comes with this nice looking case, almost very presentable, like, ooh, that is a very nice presentation. Now you can see our headphones in here, so let's go and take these out here. And we have a few different things going on here. So we have our headphones, we have ourselves this nice looking pouch to carry our headphones about. We have ourselves a USB-C charging cable, some earpieces as well to make it more comfortable based on your liking, and lastly a user manual. So let's go ahead and take this thing out. All right, so you got these little nice sporty looking feel. You got like that nice red color, I like that. You have a control panel right over here, so it looks like you can go ahead and increase the volume, decrease the volume, and hit the play button. We have ourselves a DC in charging port from here too. All right, so let's go ahead and just put these in now and try this out. All right, so there we go. Okay, that doesn't work. So, okay, so you put this piece behind your neck, kind of like that, and then you just go ahead and plug them in just like this. Pretty simple setup. We hit the flashing button on there. Now we just connect to it via Bluetooth using our phone. And then you'll hear a voice in the headphone saying connected. So that means it's connected, I guess. And then let's go ahead and play some music and see how these sound. All right, so far they're very good at noise canceling. To kind of give you perspective about these headphones, in terms of the quality itself goes, so what are the pluses? I really enjoyed the fact that they're very comfortable. You know, the strap that goes around your neck does give you a good amount of weight and a good amount of secure feeling compared to other headphones. I like the whole sporty look of it, especially with the red and the black, and I like the controls on the side here, giving you full access, and they're very easy to use. Now, in terms of connectivity, it was really spot on. I've had trouble before with other headphones connecting it to your phone. These worked right away. Now, what are some drawbacks or some rooms for improvement, I would say, is that it does kind of lack bass. It doesn't have that necessary punch that you get from a lot of good quality headphones, but again, for the price that you're paying, these are quite well. Now, would I recommend these? I would say yes, depending on what you're using them for. They're great quality headphones for somebody who's working out, just because they actually secure onto you and they do have a good, nice noise canceling effect. But would I recommend it for somebody who's actually using it on the train or stuff of that nature? Probably not, as they are more designed for a sports athlete kind of person. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.